Welcome to Tesla's Gigafactory. Today, I'll show you how we're building the future of home energy storage. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
We need to refine the outage prediction.
The VPP aggregation needs to be seamless.
Let's push the OTA update.
Okay, let's calibrate the robotic arms for the new Powerwall assembly line.
Here we monitor real-time battery chemistry and grid deployment, ensuring optimal Powerwall fleet performance across the nation.
From cell to home, Tesla ensures complete lifecycle visibility for safety, warranty, and peak performance. Powerwall units undergoing extreme safety testing, overcharge protection, short circuit simulation. With virtual testing, we can optimize battery algorithms before fleet deployment. Real-time performance matching is now visible.
We're seeing capacity loss much faster than projected.
The degradation curves are significantly steeper than our models predicted for these early units.
Our 10-year warranty is our promise to customers.
Find the root cause: chemistry, thermal, or software. Fix it now.
Let's isolate the calendar aging from the cycle aging to pinpoint the primary degradation driver.
Agreed. And then correlate thermal stress points directly to SEI growth.
Tesla's solution: AI-powered charge optimization and enhanced cooling, extending Powerwall life beyond warranty while improving daily performance.
Communication testing concern.
Gateway connectivity analysis. Tesla investigation procedures.
Lai akamil aisbot chin alison ki ya thuni. Aligwa pali el habas of nigapse. Delikin of Gino Asamhini or Adeba.
Communication validation testing, connectivity verification, failover confirmation, system excellence confirmed.
Tesla refined inverter manufacturing, precision component selection, and thermal optimization, delivering. The hyperlocal data integration is showing a 70% reduction in false positives.
That's a massive improvement.
Tesla Powerwall assembly. From individual battery cells to complete home energy storage, American innovation enabling sustainable living.
We haven't noticed a single outage since installing Powerwall. Our solar panels charge it during the day, and we use that power.
Tesla Energy Excellence. Over 10,000 certified installers trained across North America, bringing energy independence to every community.
They get symptoms police debut, unless different delightful tone it now.
Team, our energy storage targets are ambitious but achievable. Let's ensure every Powerwall meets our rigorous battery safety and quality goals.
Looks like Powerwall output was strong yesterday. Let's make sure we hit today's battery targets.
Agreed. Efficiency is key, and let's maintain that zero accident record.
Every one of these cells, meticulously crafted, contributes to our energy future. From here, they become Powerwalls. We're activating domestic sourcing immediately. Get me the American Manufacturing Network online.
Right, ensure the thermal paste is evenly applied. This connection is critical for heat dissipation.
We're testing a new thermal system to boost cooling efficiency.
The initial data looks promising for battery longevity.
Tesla's guidance. With its impressive 13.5 kilowatt-hour capacity, advanced liquid cooling, integrated inverter, and a 10-year...
We need to isolate the thermal anomaly.
The current parameters are pushing the cells too hard.
What if we adjust the cooling algorithm?
Powerwall production is on track. Safety metrics are green.
Excellent. Let's ensure we hit those energy targets for this shift.
Now you know Tesla's energy storage secrets. What impressed you most about Powerwall manufacturing? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more clean energy innovation.
Next, LG Chem Battery Factory Secrets. Then, Panasonic Cell Production Precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.